Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 58,791 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a 4-wheel drive. It comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you are seeing up top, 94,615. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 58,791. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles, you are in the right place. Driving to If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.